How to fix the issue where your HDMI cable is not working on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're trying to connect your laptop to an external monitor, or the HDMI is just not working in general, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. So first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu. You can then search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Display Adapters. You can then right click on your graphics card and click on Update. Now press Search automatically for drivers, and if you get this message saying that the best drivers are already installed, then close out of this window, go and right click on this again and click on Update. Now press Browse My Computer for drivers and select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You could then go and select this top one here and click on Next. And once you've done that, you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for Services and click on this window here. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the page and you should see Windows Update. Now go and double click on this and make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then go and press Apply and OK. You can then double click on this again and make sure the service status is set to running, and then press Apply and OK. You can then right click on this one final time and select Restart. Now go and open up the Start menu and click on Settings. Click on Windows Update from the left hand side and then click on the Check for Updates button. If there's any available updates for your computer, then you'll need to go and install these now. If you have tried all of the steps and it's still not working, you can also try pressing the Windows key and the letter P on your keyboard, and this will change between your different display modes, and sometimes this can also solve the issue. You can also try pressing Control Shift the Windows key and also the letter B at the same time, and that's how to fix your HDMI not working on your Windows 11 laptop.